Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I have been a regular user of organic products of different companies, and let me be very honest, being the strong advocate of local economy and local businesses, I am super proud of women who are doing an amazing job with the organic products. And one of my favorite and all-time favorite brands is Pur. Pur has been an amazing brand and offers an amazing product range. Recently they've launched amazingly great variety of products, and I've received some of the products which are there on my table at the moment, and some of them are in my room, in my washroom. They're there, and I want to tell you how beautiful the journey has been. Roxana has been close to me, but apart from that, I'm being very unbiased when it comes to their products, the packaging, the overall feel of the product, the overall sense of it being absolute organic material. It's amazing. I received this skin meal cleanser. When you open it, it has this unique essential oils filled aroma that definitely gives you a feel that this is organic and nothing maneuvered about. Then we have an age miracle serum that is supposed to be used at night on raw face. A lot of people are producing age miracle serums. I'm sure they must be good as well, but this one is amazing, and it gives you this hydration which is needed by the skin at night. Then comes this Multitasker Cleansing Oil. This is again a different skin meal cleanser. This is cleansing oil. I received this yesterday. I've not used it, but let me tell you, this must be good as well, equally good as the other products are. I love the new packaging, by the way. They have this jasmine rose deodorant, which I will keep in my bag all the time because it's very humid in Karachi. And Tumeric cream soap remains to be my favorite. Let me tell you why. By the way, I love these spoons. The spatulas are wood made and they are so cute. They can be used afterwards as well. So this turmeric soap is not solidified. It is like this, maybe like a paste. And I used it, and the feel is absolutely amazing. It is basically a mixture of turmeric and turmeric in the most raw form, because it has pigments, and it gives you a very scrubby kind of a feeling, and all the other essential oils needed for a basic organic soap, they're all present there. You can feel it when you wash your face. So all the best, Lippa, for producing nature's best for us, for our skin and for our well-being, and I'm sure all the women out there must be super proud of you. Thank you, Roxana, for this amazing package. Not to forget this lip balm that you sent, because the lip balm that they offer has a tinge of pink in it, and when you apply it, it gives you a very natural pinky feeling on your lips. So do try it, guys. This is not a paid PR package campaign. I'm doing it with all my heart and soul. So all the best to Lippa.